I'm replacing the right rear tail light on a 2024 Chevy Traverse. And this is the second time I've done it, because first time I did it, I got this replacement light and it worked fine when I put it in. And then after a few weeks, it would stay on when the car was off. And I had to disconnect the battery, and it was a problem. So I wrote to the company and they sent me another one. I have looked at the numbers. This is on the new light, and those numbers are the same as the one that they gave me the first time. So I'm hoping it was a fluke. If it's not a fluke, it's something about the aftermarket light. The original light had the same colors in the wiring harness, and it had the same pin connector. So if you look in here, there's 5 pins. And when you look in the car, there's let's see here. There are 5 wires. There's a red, a blue, a black, an orange, and a white. So it's 5 on there, 5 on the other. Don't know what the issue is. To get the light out, you gotta take the wheel off. Take the under fender well cover off. Pull back your trim strip. There's a screw in here that holds this panel on. There's some clips that you can access from the bottom here. And that screw back here, and of course screws up here by the light. But once you get all those out, you can drop this panel down, and then you have access to where the light goes. The light goes into these receivers. There's pins on the light that slide or just plug into there. You can see how it just slips into that well, and then you make your electrical connection. It's pretty straightforward. It's a pain in the butt to get the fender off, but putting the light in itself is really straightforward. I just don't know what's wrong with the computers and the electrical stuff. Seems very elementary, but these days they make everything complicated. So